Hi everybody, I am here with my Walgreens summer gardening 90% off haul, and this is the trunk of my car, so it's a little bit messy. Everything's kind of shuffled from the driving, but I went to two different locations, but most of the stuff that I picked up was from the first location that I hit. So I'll just kind of go around and show you what I picked up. I thought, you know what, let me film a haul from my trunk. So the first items that I picked up were kids things, and this is like a dig kit. My daughter did this, I think in 2020 when COVID first hit, and she loved it. So, you know, I picked up another one of these, and that was only like $1.29 or something. And then I got a paint pouring kit. I got two of them because we did a paint pouring class over the summer, and my kids enjoyed doing that. And then I got these balls. I think the balls were 79 cents. And I got water shoes, two different sizes. I think they were just $1.29 or something as well. I got this puzzle set. This was $1.50. Oh, it's a puzzle plus poster. That's cool. And then I got an Aloe garden growing kit. And then I know I got another, I got a Cactus one too. These were like 39 cents each. This little summer game, I think this was 39 cents. I got 3 of those. That was, I think, $1.50. Pretty sure that was $1.50. That I think was $1. That I think was $1.29. I got this candle. That I think was $1.29 or so. I think this one was $1. They don't have the prices on the thing, but I'm going off of memory. And then I got this strawberry growing kit because I thought the kids would like that. I think that was like 70 cents. Got another one of those. I think this one was like maybe 79 cents. I thought they could probably play with that. I got this paddle ball set. I want to say it was $1 as well. And then I picked up, this one was 49 cents. It's a ring toss horseshoe playset. I thought that was pretty cute. Yeah, it was only 49 cents. And then I got this gardening tool. That was $1.29. So wow, that was like the quickest haul ever. Oh wait, this little thing was 39 cents, this squirter toy. I don't know if it's meant for a bathtub or a swimming pool or whatever you decide, but wow, I guess when I film a haul that way, it is nice and quick. So thank you guys for joining me, and I will see you next time. Bye.